Hello, you're watching FTM and I'm your host Suraj. Google's new artificial intelligence service Bard is now available to trusted testers. When Microsoft released ChatGPT, it was available for public testing and was easily accessible by logging into OpenAI's website. But the situation has changed over the night due to rising number of attempts made in ChatGPT website by AI enthusiasts. Since more and more people are onboarding ChatGPT, it is facing problems in handling so many requests altogether. Team FTM attempted to log into ChatGPT page. However, at first, it was difficult to explore its functionality, and we sooner realized that due to the volume of requests, the ChatGPT free trial is not responding well, which was also accepted by ChatGPT. This language issue is also faced by Bard, which is an experimental conversational AI service powered by the language model for dialogue application. We know them as Lambda. Now, we see that ChatGPT is very close to the Bard, which is equipped with the world's knowledge with the power, intelligence, and creativity of large language models. It uses web data to provide users with new, high-quality responses to specific prompts. This much smaller model requires significantly less computing power, allowing the company to scale to more users, resulting in more feedback. Google will combine external feedback with its own internal testing to make sure Bard's responses meet a high bar for quality, safety, and groundedness in real-world information. Now, what was said by CEO Sundar Pichai? Yes, they say they are continuously working on it. The phase of testing to help us continue to learn and improve Bard's quality and speed is constantly monitored. Now the question comes, why Bard is making mistakes? Despite the large database which Google holds for ages, Bard is currently not at par with AI chatbot standards. Yes, Bard developed by Google in order to take on OpenAI's ChatGPT delivered inaccurate information in its promotional video during regular trading hours on February 8th. The company share fell 7.8% on the American exchange, and after hours trading was largely flat. Writers discovered the error just hours before Bard's launch event in Paris. The chatbot's response to a question about what to tell a 9-year-old about new discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope. In the video saying that the JWST was used to take pictures of a planet outside the Milky Way. This is not actually right. It appears that Google seems to have created a competitor too quickly, which is causing a fallover due to a lack of proper homework. In general, AI systems have a long way to go before they can be integrated into business operations and replace jobs. The risk of plagiarism, skewed results, and inaccurate solutions cannot be ruled out. Not as a layman speaks about a topic, techies define comparison between two in a comprehensive and detailed way. Yes. Now what is ChatGPT and how it is different from Google Bard? Let's come to this topic. It's worth noting that OpenAI's GPT, that is generative pre-trained transformer model, has undergone extensive refinement in recent years, resulting in its current level of proficiency. However, Google Bard, which is powered by Lambda, has some significant differences. For beginners, Bard is based on a simplified version of Lambda that requires fewer computational resources, allowing it to serve a larger user base and collect more feedback. Google's Lambda has recently been the subject of debate. Blake Lemonoy, a Google engineer, publicly stated that Lambda was sentient, igniting a debate about AI's capabilities. Google fired Blake for making false statement as a result of this. However, no such controversy has emerged in relation to OpenAI's ChatGPT. And in general, Google's database of information and native integration with Google Search could place it in a league of its own when it comes to offering detailed responses and more factual data spread. Microsoft has acknowledged this, and evidently CEO Satya Nadella has been vocal about bringing ChatGPT to Bing, Microsoft's own search engine. If anything, this could close down the gap between both chatbots if there's anyone to begin with. Furthermore, Google's expertise in providing accurate and concise information with ease, combined with its extensive infrastructure, allows it to create a seamless user experience that is unaffected by high traffic and provides prompt responses to queries. Now, is there any clear winner? At least not yet. It's too early to predict or tell which chatbot is superior because Bard by Google is currently only available to a limited number of individuals and has not yet undergone the same level of public scrutiny as ChatGPT, which was made available as a free research preview. Only when Google releases Bard to the public can direct comparison between both be made. However, based on the appearances and Google's claim, Bard appears to be a promising addition to the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence space. That's all in FTM.